Right. So first of all, thank you so much for giving me such a warm welcome, and I hope that our journey of learning would be smooth and effective, and you will learn. I'll try my best to convey what all I have, and inshallah you will learn a lot. So first of all, English language is very important, as you all know, because if someone is Pakistani, French or German, the only way to communicate with other, that is just a lingua franca. Lingua franca is the word that is used to convey your ideas in one international language that is understood by all. So English language is lingua franca. So thanks goodness that we have English language and we can communicate with French, German, Chinese and Japanese as well. So but we need to be fluent in that, so that we can learn the best of all, to learn more and more knowledge regarding different fields, like regarding communication, regarding everything, and that is possible just by learning English, right? So first of all, let me introduce myself to you. My name is Areej Mumtaz, and I've done my double masters in English literature and language as well from FC College. So afterwards, I just joined different institutes and came in the field of communication and IELTS as well. So IELTS is also very important. That is also based on English language. That is based on 4 modules like speaking, listening, writing and reading. So that is the base for any language which we want to learn. So we will just try to grasp maximum on these 4 modules, so that we will be able to communicate effectively, right? So that's wonderful to have you all here today, and that is my brief introduction. After joining some institutes regarding English language and IELTS, then recently what I am doing recently, that is working on some books regarding spoken English, so that we can just disperse them, we can just distribute among all of you, so that you can learn maximum out of it, ताकि आप ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा सीख सकें. So I am working on that. So inshallah within month or 1.5 months that will be published inshallah. The other thing is that I am part of GCU. I am teaching there as English lecturer in a government college university, and I am also now associated with the Qasim Shah Foundation. So that is the biggest platform for learning all kind of skills. So mashallah, you are learning all type of skills here, and the best thing that you are learning here is just self-confidence. So self-confidence is the key to learn everything. So if you are confident enough, so definitely you can gain all assets of knowledge, mashallah, and you can communicate as well as effectively as possible, right? So we would just first thing that is very important for gaining confidence in learning English language or English communication is that you should come out of yourself, actually break the wall around you, the wall of hesitation actually, जो अपने इर्द गिर्द हमने एक दीवार जो है वो कायम की हुआ है और हमें लगता है कि हम बस उसके अंदर ही रह सकते हैं, उसे बाहर तोड़ के नहीं आ सकते. So just come out of that. तो उसके लिए ये है कि पहली बात जो आपने विच यू शुड कीप इन योर माइंड इज़ दैट कि आपने ये नहीं सोचना कि मुझे परफेक्ट इंग्लिश बोलनी है. फर्स्ट थिंग इज़ दिस, ठीक है. जब हम ये सोचते हैं ना कि हमने परफेक्ट ये काम करना है, ये परफेक्ट इंग्लिश बोलनी है, तो व्हाट हैपन्स, वी बिकम अफ्रेड ऑफ स्पीकिंग. उससे क्या होता है कि जो हमारे ब्रेन के मुख्तलिफ जो पार्ट्स हैं विच आर एसेंशियल फॉर कम्युनिकेशन, दे गेट्स क्लोज, ठीक है, वो बंद हो जाते हैं बिल्कुल, और हम जो है वो हेजिटेट होते हैं, वी कांट स्पीक विद अदर्स, कॉन्फिडेंस लूज़ हो जाता है. तो परफेक्ट होने की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है. फर्स्ट थिंग इज़ दैट, ठीक है, सीखना है बस. हर चीज़ जो है वो सीखी जाती है, तो आहिस्ता आहिस्ता जो है हम इसको भी जो है इसको ओवर पार कर लेंगे, वी विल ग्रास्प इट और इसको सीख लेंगे, ठीक है ना. तो पहली चीज़ अपने डिक्शनरी में से अपने पेपर पे से ये निकाल दें कि वी नीड टू बी परफेक्ट इन स्पीकिंग इंग्लिश, ठीक है. और यहाँ पे एक और चीज़ जो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है वो ये है कि इंग्लिश हमारी नेशनल लैंग्वेज नहीं है, बट इट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू एक्सेल इन आवर लाइफ, बहुत ज़रूरी है. तो उसके लिए क्या ज़रूरी है कि हम इसको सीखें, इंजॉय करके सीखें, ठीक है, और इससे डरना नहीं है बिल्कुल भी, और इसको मैक्सिमम एज मच एज यू प्रैक्टिस इट यू विल जस्ट डेफिनेटली ग्रैब इट. जितना आप इस पे प्रैक्टिस करोगे उतना ही आप इसको सीखते जाओगे और दैट शुड बी एफर्टलेस काइंड ऑफ प्रैक्टिस. अब वो प्रैक्टिस हमने कैसे लेनी है बेसिकली, तो उसके लिए ये है कि वी शुड जस्ट ट्राई टू थिंक इन इंग्लिश. हर चीज़ जब भी वी आर फ्री सो वी शुड ट्राई टू थिंक इन इंग्लिश. सेल्फ टॉक इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. द इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग इज सेल्फ टॉक एंड दैट शुड बी इन इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज. वो इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज में होनी चाहिए. अच्छा, अब हम सोचते तो बहुत कुछ है, सोचना बहुत ज़रूरी है. दिस इज़ द फर्स्ट स्टेप दैट वी आर जस्ट डूइंग थिंकिंग. ठीक है, उसके बाद सेल्फ टॉक बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. जो कुछ आप सोच रहे हैं, सोचना बहुत अच्छी बात है, इंग्लिश में सोचें जब आप फ्री हो, स्पेशली व्हेन वी गेट फ्री. एक तो व्हेन वी जस्ट अबाउट टू स्लीप, तो उस वक्त सारी टेंशन्स जो हैं वो अब हमें होता है कि वी आर जस्ट फ्री. तो उस वक्त आप जो है वो थोड़ा सा सोचें, इंग्लिश में सोचें कुछ सेंटेंसेस कि आज आपने क्या किया था, लाइक दैट. जस्ट थिंक अबाउट दैट. उसके बाद द अदर थिंग इज़ दैट जो इम्पॉर्टेंट है वो है सेल्फ टॉक के बाद कि उसको प्रैक्टिकली आप जो है वो बोलें. ठीक है, अब बोलने के लिए हमें किसी इंसान की ज़रूरत नहीं है. होता क्या है, व्हेन वी हैव some friends or some colleagues with us, तो क्या होता है, they are just kidding you and you are kidding them. तो उससे ये है कि हम कहते हैं छोड़ो, सीखते ही नहीं हैं, छोड़ दें इसको, ये बड़ी एक मुश्किल स्किल है, तो हमारी बस की बात ही नहीं है. तो इसलिए we don't need anyone. इसीलिए मैं कह रही हूँ कि आप खुद से बोलें, इतना लाउड बोलें कि you can just understand कि जो बात आप कर रहे हो, you just listen it with your ears. आपके कानों तक वो जो आवाज़ है वो आ रही हो. ठीक है, तो जब आप उसको व्हेन यू अटर समथिंग तो वो उसकी एक्चुअल प्रैक्टिस होती है. व्हेन यू अटर थिंग्स, थिंकिंग इज़ वेरी गुड थिंग. फर्स्ट स्टेप इज दिस शुड ऑल्सो बी द पार्ट ऑफ द प्रैक्टिस के साथ साथ आप यू शुड थिंक इन इंग्लिश और साथ साथ उसको प्रैक्टिस में भी लाना है और ख़ुद से आप बोलें. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, एज आई एम इन दिस रूम, तो आई कुड जस्ट स्टार्ट टॉकिंग अबाउट दैट व्हाट थिंग्स आर प्रेजेंट here. So there is dice and what color of dice is and what other articles or objects are present here. तो इस पे हम we can just start talking. We don't need anyone. तो इसको एक तो आप अपना जो है वो डेली का रूटीन में शामिल कर लें. इसको अपना प्रिंसिपल बना लें कि हर दिन आपने 10 से 15 मिनट you just need to communicate for 10 to 15 minutes and that is sufficient. अभी तो हम क्या कर रहे हैं, 1 मिनट भी नहीं बोल रहे ना. ठीक है, वी आर जस्ट टॉकिंग इन उर्दू ऑल टाइम. इवन आर जो हमारी लोकल लैंग्वेज है पंजाबी एंड वी आर प्राउड ऑफ दैट. वी आर जस्ट यूजिंग दैट, लिसनिंग दैट. तो वो एनवायरनमेंट जो है हमें खुद से क्रिएट करना पड़ेगा. अब उसको क्रिएट कैसे करना है, यू शुड जस्ट मेक इट योर नेसेसिटी. इसको ना अपने ऊपर लाजिम करना है, कंपल्सरी करना है. अब हम कहते हैं वो तो जी एनवायरनमेंट तो हमें तब मिलता है व्हेन वी मूव टूवर्ड्स सम अदर कंट्री वेयर इंग्लिश इज़ स्पोकन. जहाँ पे इंग्लिश बोली जाती है तो वहाँ पे एनवायरनमेंट हमें मिलता है, तो बाहर भाग जाओ. ठीक है, तो बाहर अल्लाह करे कि आप लोग फर्दर स्टडीज़ के लिए जाएं बाहर, लेकिन जब तक आप यहाँ पे हैं तो इसको अपने ऊपर लाजिम करना है. दैट शुड बी इम्पेरेटिव. अब इसको लाजिम कैसे करेंगे, जैसे फॉर एग्जाम्पल एज गर्ल्स आर सिटिंग देयर, आपने कोई रेसिपी फाइंड करनी है, सो ट्राई टू फाइंड इट इन इंग्लिश rather than going to the Urdu sites. You can just go and search different kind of recipes or cutting of different things in English. ठीक है, वो उर्दू में जो है ना वो भी इंग्लिश से कॉपी किया होता है. और इसी तरह बॉयज़ हैं, दे जस्ट नीड टू fix something, they just need to repair something, they need some solution of some important thing. So what they can do, they should also go to the English sites and try to listen to that. और उससे ये होता है कि जब आपके अंदर इनपुट आएगा तो आउटपुट आएगा ना. तो फर्स्ट थिंग इज़ दैट इनपुट इज़ मैंडेटरी एंड देन देयर विल बी आउटपुट. तो आपका जो यहाँ सेशन स्टार्ट होगा उसमें हम प्रॉपर एक लिसनिंग का जो है वो सेशन भी रखेंगे ताकि यू कुड बी एबल टू लिसन टू समथिंग एंड यू आफ्टरवर्ड्स आई विल आस्क यू एंड यू विल टेल मी व्हाट यू लिसन टू. तो इससे बड़ा ज़बरदस्त एक आपको एक्सेंट फेमिलैरिटी भी हो जाएगी कि हाउ जो फॉरेनर्स हैं हाउ डू दे स्पीक यूजिंग देयर लोकल एक्सेंट. तो ये बड़ी इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग है. सो दैट विल ऑल बी द पार्ट ऑफ दैट. उसके बाद वोकैबुलरी इंक्रीज करना भी बहुत ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है. समटाइम्स क्या होता है कि हमारे जो है वो आइडियाज़ आ रहे हैं, दे आर जस्ट रशिंग, दे आर फ्लोइंग इन आवर माइंड्स, बट द थिंग इज़ दैट कि हम उसको बता नहीं पा रहे होते, वी आर अनेबल टू कम्युनिकेट देम वेल, वर्ड्स नहीं मिल रहे होते. तो यहाँ पे मैं आपको रोज़ाना जब भी हमारी सेशन हुआ करेगा ऑन एवरी सैटरडे, तो वी विल जस्ट मेक श्योर कि 1 लेटर ऑफ इंग्लिश शुड बी completed. जैसे आपका फर्स्ट डे है, सो लेटर विद ए शुड बी completed विद गुड वर्ड्स. ऑर्डिनरी वर्ड्स हमें आते हैं, सिंपल वर्ड्स वी आर यूजिंग, लेकिन कुछ अच्छे एकेडमिक वर्ड्स हों जो आपकी एजुकेशन में भी काम आए, जो आपकी फील्ड्स हैं, जो रिस्पेक्टिव फील्ड्स हैं. माशाल्लाह यू आर फ्रॉम डिफरेंट फील्ड्स, आई हैव लिसन टू दैट. तो उसमें भी आप लोग जो है उसको अच्छी तरह से अप्लाई कर सकें. तो एक वोकैबुलरी इज़ द पार्ट ऑफ दैट, लिसनिंग इज़ द पार्ट ऑफ दैट, ग्रामर इज़ द पार्ट ऑफ दैट. ग्रामर भी बहुत ज़रूरी है, बट नॉट इन अ ट्रेडिशनल वे जो हम आज तक सीखते हैं. डायरेक्ट जो एक टीचिंग और ट्रेनिंग सिस्टम है, वी विल जस्ट लर्न इंग्लिश थ्रू दैट. डायरेक्ट कम्युनिकेशन होगी, कन्वर्सेशन होगी, और उसके ज़रिए से हम सीखेंगे. एंड द अदर थिंग इज़ दैट देयर शुड बी सम रीडिंग स्किल्स एज वेल. उससे क्या होगा कि आपका प्रोनाउंसिएशन जो है वो इम्प्रूव होगा, and your reading skills will be developed. I will tell you some good books, so you will start reading them. इससे reading habit भी develop होगी, and you will learn good vocabulary words as well. And side by side, you will be able to just communicate what you have read. You will tell me. इस तरह की आपको assignments मैं दूंगी जो कि interactive हों, right? अब रह गया writing. Writing का क्या करना है? Creative writing is very important to prepare your assignments, to just complete to convey your ideas, to complete your different tasks regarding your fields as well. आपको रिपोर्ट राइटिंग करनी पड़ जाती है, आपको कोई असाइनमेंट्स मिल जाती हैं, यू जस्ट नीड टू, या आर्टिकल राइटिंग आजकल पीपल आर अर्निंग अ लॉट आउट ऑफ दैट एज वेल. तो उसके लिए जो है वो राइटिंग स्किल्स बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट. यू कैन अर्न अ लॉट इफ़ यू हैव गुड राइटिंग स्किल्स. तो वो कैसे करनी है उसका आपको तरीका बताया जाएगा, एंड यू विल जस्ट write some good essays or articles and you will submit it to me. I will check and give you feedback. So that would be very important and constructive kind of thing for you, right? और बहुत सारे modern expressions आ चुके हैं आजकल हमारी लैंग्वेज में. modern expressions वो वाली इंग्लिश चेंज हो गई है, अब ऐसे वर्ड्स आ गए हैं कि वी आर नॉट यूज टू दैट ऑफ लिसनिंग टू दैट. सो वो मैं आपको सिखाऊंगी ताकि आपको पता चले व्हेन यू आर वाचिंग सम सीजन्स और मूवीज़ और जस्ट न्यूज़ और समथिंग, सो यू विल बी एबल टू लर्न देम क्विकली कि वो जो वर्ड्स हैं वो क्या हैं. क्योंकि बेसिकली आजकल की जो लैंग्वेज है दैट इज़ बेसिकली बेस्ड ऑन मोस्ट ऑफ टाइम ऑन फ्रेजल वर्ब्स एंड इडियोमैटिक एक्सप्रेशंस. तो वो मॉडर्न इंग्लिश है, वो भी A to Z हमारे पास पूरी एक लिस्ट है. तो आई विल टेल यू दैट एज वेल. तो आज हम थोड़ा सा इंट्रोडक्शन इसलिए कह रहे हैं ताकि आपको पता हो कि विच थिंग्स वी आर गोइंग टू कंप्लीट इन आवर सेशंस. ठीक, जब ये सारी चीज़ें आ जाएंगी तो आपके पास एक अच्छा जो है वो ह्यूज ट्रेजर ऑफ इंग्लिश वर्ड्स, इंग्लिश नॉलेज, दैट विल बी इन योर माइंड एंड दैट विल बी वेरी वेरी हेल्पफुल फॉर यू. ठीक है, इंशाल्लाह. सो अब जो चीज़ें मैं आपको आज बता रही हूँ, जैसे एक जो अभी तक जो मुझे लगा है कि आप उसको फिज़िकली जो कर सकते हैं वो ये है कि आपने जो 10 से 15 मिनट के लिए जो है वो सेल्फ टॉक करनी है. ठीक है, और थिंकिंग भी करनी है पहले और उसके बाद सेल्फ टॉक करनी है. तो यू डोंट नीड एनीवन फॉर दैट, ये एक्सक्यूज़ नहीं आपने करना. मेक इट कंपल्सरी ऑन यू to find whatever information you want in English and try to listen to that. Try to listen to TED Talk. TED Talk एक बड़ा ज़बरदस्त प्रोग्राम है जिसमें बहुत ही इंफॉर्मेटिव जो है वो आपको इंफॉर्मेशन और नॉलेज मिलता है रिगार्डिंग एवरीथिंग. तो गो टू दैट पॉडकास्ट एंड लिसन टू डिफरेंट थिंग. बहुत कोई लंबा चौड़ा आर्टिकल सुनने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. 5 to 10 मिनट्स का जो है वो आप पॉडकास्ट को निकालें और उसको सुनें, जस्ट इंटरेस्टिंग वन. ठीक है, हम क्या करते हैं, हमें चाहिए वो वाली चीज़ सेलेक्ट करें जिसमें हमारा इंटरेस्ट है. स्पोर्ट्स में आप इंटरेस्टेड हो तो स्पोर्ट्स को लें. ठीक है, स्टाइल और फैशन में इंटरेस्टेड हो उसको लो. टेक्नोलॉजी में तो उसके बारे में पढ़ो आप. तो इस तरह से डिफरेंट आपके जो इंटरेस्टिंग काइंड ऑफ फीचर्स हैं या इंटरेस्टिंग काइंड ऑफ फील्ड्स हैं उनको आपने लेना है. बोरिंग चीज़ों को तो हमने करना ही नहीं है. ठीक है, सो वी शुड डू व्हाट मेक अस हैप्पी. सो दिस इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. अच्छा जी, अब थोड़ा सा आज हम थोड़ी सी ज़्यादा नहीं, थोड़ी सी एक्टिविटीज़ आज ही से स्टार्ट कर देंगे, क्योंकि आज हमारा फर्स्ट डे है। इंट्रोडक्शन जो है वो भी थोड़ा सा कर लेंगे। मैंने अभी आपको जैसे अपने बारे में बताया और साथ में आपको थोड़ा सा कोर्स के बारे में बताया, तो थोड़ी सी आज हम एक्टिविटीज़ भी करेंगे और अपने सारे जितने आने वाले सेशंस हैं उसमें हम 3 एक्टिविटीज़ किया करेंगे। So we have very interesting kind of activities which you can do with your other fellow. You can do that, and उसके बाद जो है you can just communicate by coming here. आहिस्ता आहिस्ता हम presentation skills की तरफ भी जाएंगे, तो presentation skills भी इसमें हमने cover करनी है, right? तो ये इसका जो एक पूरा content है, syllabus है, उसमें जो चीज़ें हम cover करने जा रहे हैं वो मैं आपको उसकी list जो अभी आपको मैंने explain किया है वो I will write over here so that you will be able to learn okay, what are our contents of, so content of course. So first is conversation, conversational English होगी जिसमें आपसे 1-on-1 मैंने questions करने हैं और that would be rapid fire kind of thing, no time for thinking and you will just give answer, ठीक है। So conversational questions होंगे इसमें। Second thing is that I will teach you modern expression, जो मैंने कहा new words आ चुके हैं जो कि based हैं phrasal verbs और phrasal verbs और idioms पे ना, तो वो आएंगे। modern expressions होंगे इसमें। इसके अलावा listening session हुआ करेगा, skills, then fourth is reading skills will be there। वोकेबुलरी को और क्या कहते हैं, लेक्सिकल रिसोर्सेज भी कहते हैं, ठीक है। अगर कोई लेक्सिकल रिसोर्स कहे तो हमें पता होना चाहिए कि वोकेबुलरी की बात हो रही है। मीन्स आपके पास लेक्सिकल यानी कि वोकेबुलरी के रिसोर्स कितने हैं, सो वोकेबुलरी एंड देन ग्रामर। वैसे जो ग्रामर है उसमें जो टेंसेस और वो सारा जो एक वो चल रहा है, do you want to learn that? अगर if you want to learn that, so we can also make it part, ठीक है। So just raise your hands, right? That who wants to learn tenses, ताकि we can just give you some lecture lessons on that as well. So just frankly raise your hand if you want to learn that. No one?
Direct method is the first one.
Direct method is better, right? So it's up to you. You want that? I will give you some notes on that, no problem, right? Okay, so then we will just base it on sentence structures, not tenses. We will base these on idiomatic expressions. We will base that on phrasal verbs and we will base that on chunk of sentences, ठीक है। वोकेबुलरी जो है वो एक एक वर्ड करके याद नहीं हमें करनी चाहिए, बल्कि पूरा चंक उठा लेना चाहिए। इफ़ वी जस्ट पूरा एक उसका पार्ट ऑफ सेंटेंस उठा लेते हैं तो वो हमें वोकैबुलरी वर्ड्स याद रहते हैं। सो वी विल जस्ट डू दैट काइंड ऑफ थिंग, ठीक है। नॉट टेंसेस, नॉट एक्टिव पैसिव, नो डायरेक्ट इनडायरेक्ट, राइट, जस्ट डायरेक्ट मेथड। ओके, सो ग्रामर एंड देन देयर विल बी सम उर्दू सेंटेंसेस जो कि बहुत ज़्यादा कॉमनली बोले जाते हैं, हाउ टू से देम इन इंग्लिश। सो उर्दू सेंटेंसेस होंगे इसमें और 3 activities per lecture. These are all, these will be covered inshallah on that. So these are the contents and we will try to cover them up as soon as possible with the best of our effort, right? So now I want to tell you some rules as well of our class, right? So there will be class on every Saturday. So the first thing is that if I ask you something, so just raise your hands. If you want to answer that, so just raise your hand. So this is very important so that we don't want any din in the class. Din means noise. So second thing is that cooperate with your fellows. right? So if someone is trying to speak something, so don't interfere, don't interrupt that person, don't laugh, because we are all on the same scale. We are all on the learning level. So we are not Shakespeare at all. So please don't discourage anyone. Try to encourage your fellows so that you can learn and they can also, because the thing is to motivate you to learn English, right? The third thing is that's very important, that actively participate in all activities, right? So pay full attention to the lecture and try to make notes as much as possible. And the assignments which I will assign you, inshallah, so try to submit that on proper deadline. Before deadline that should be submitted, because there should be a monthly evaluation as well. Your test reports would be prepared from my side and I want you to get maximum out of that. So that matters a lot, that matters for your qualification for your studies as well. You know how important is this. So that's why the focus is on this, that you just try to prepare yourself, and the objective should always be in your mind that you should be good in communication skills. You are here to boost up your confidence, right? And we don't need to be perfect at all. We don't need to be, right? But just learn it as much as possible. So this is there. So now let's start some activity for today for speaking. So today our topic of discussion is just very easy. It's based on your family, because we know very well about this topic. We can say maximum things, we can utter a lot of things about our family. So I just encourage you to answer the questions in 2 to 3 sentences. No yes or no answers are required, right? So one by one I will just give you turn, and I can just ask anyone from your side. So be ready, mentally prepared. Yes. But first question is, what do you think? Family is more important than friends or not? So I will just tell you that who want to say something, just raise your hand, but I will just give you turn for this exercise, right? I can just ask from any one of you, right? Okay. So yes, what do you think? Are friends more important or family is more important?
Family is more important because they stand by you, show
Yeah.
thick and thin, and that is what we need in life.
Exactly, wonderful, very nice. So from here, who are more important to you? Family is more important than friends? Do you agree with this? Yes.
Family is more important
Okay, family is more important, and try to make one more sentence.
because they brought us from the start and they know us from the start.
Exactly. Wonderful, very nice, great. So next question from this side, that is, right. How much time do you spend with your family members? How much time do you spend with your family members? Yes, the person sitting over there in white. Yes, you. Yes.
Most of the time I spend with my family, but I like to spend the time with my friends and teachers.
Okay.
I feel very happy in their company.
Wonderful, wonderful. It means you get along well with them. Get along का मतलब क्या होता है? अच्छी तरह से time spend करना, किसी के साथ गुजर बसर करना. So it means he gets along well. So this is very good phrase. Get along well. So note it down. Get along is very good word. Get along. और अगर अच्छी तरह से गुजारा हो रहा है, so you will say get along well. To live happily. All right. So get along. So he gets along very well. Wonderful. That's really very nice. All right. So now the turn is of girls, right? So yes. So how much time do you spend with your family?
Most of the time of my day is spent with my family
Great.
because I live in my house
Okay.
and I spend my time with them.
Very nice. And you get along well with them. All right, that's wonderful. So sometimes we are living with people, but sometimes we're not happy, but it's good that you are getting along well with them. Okay, so next question from boys' side. Okay, so yes, yes. So are your parents strict?
No. So they are quite supportive for my studies.
Good.
So whatever I ask them for,
Yep.
for example, academic expenses,
Mm-hmm.
so they believe me that I will
Yes.
right.
Right.
So they support me in everything.
Great.
They are quite supportive.
Great. They believe in me. They trust in me, right? In me. Wonderful. Great. So next question to you is, are your parents strict? Are your parents strict?
No, if I define strictness as scolding and being unsupportive, they're not.
Okay.
They focus a lot on discipline and all those things.
All right. So that matters a lot for them. Okay. That's really wonderful. So next, the person in green. Do you argue? Do you argue with your family members? Argue means कभी कभी बहस आप करते हैं, argument जो है वो करते हैं family members के साथ, or you just take everything very obediently and you just follow them. It happens. So I try my best, I try my level best not to argue with them, because they are people who are very respected for everyone. But I just tell them that I need this, or I want to say this thing, this is my will. So I just tell them, but I don't argue with them, right? So when you just want to say something in negative, what is in your daily routine, you just say, I don't. And then first form of verb, I don't argue with them, I just try to convince them by requesting them. So this is my policy actually, right? Okay. So next question to this side. The question is, so do you have any say in family matters? Your parents or siblings ask you for advice on family matters, or you are out of that list? So do you have any say, do you have any influence on family matters or not? So the question is to the person in red there at the second last row. Yes. Right. So, all right. So they seek advice from you, suggestion from you. All right. And then they follow that as well. Okay. That's wonderful. So it means you are very sagacious. You give wise kind of suggestions. Sagacious क्या होता है? Means wise, intelligent, sagacious. So it's a good word. Sagacious. So sagacious is a good word. S-A-G-A-C-I-O-U-S. Sagacious, it means wise. Right? So this is a synonym for that. And this is synonym, not synonym, or I don't know what it's called. Not antonym or not synonym. It's synonym. So it is a synonym. Okay. So next question from this side. So tell me, do you look more like your father or your mother? So tell me about the resemblance. Do you look more like your father or your mother? Yes, the person in green. Yes, it means all right. I look like more as my father. I look, and you can also use the word take after. Take after is also a word for resemblance. I resemble to my father, right? I take after my father. Take after means resemble. This is phrasal verb. Take after means resemble. So I look more like my father. So take after is not look after. So it is resemblance. Okay. So here. So tell me something about how many siblings do you have? How many siblings do you have? The person in yellow and the second last row. Yes. How many siblings means brothers and sisters?
I have 3 brothers.
Okay. Right. All right. And you are the only sister? Right. So what is your order? What is your number among your siblings?
I am second number.
All right. So my number comes at second place. So I am the second eldest siblings or eldest one in my siblings. Okay. So who cleans your room? So it is very important to ask from you. Who cleans your room? Who cleans your room? Right. So sisters are very cooperative. Right. So why don't you clean it? What's the matter? Right. So learn it. Okay. So next question is, here we are going to just ask you a question, that is, what does your father do? Yes. What does your father do? The person in pink? Yeah? Yeah. What does your father do? Okay. So he's a salesman? All right. That's wonderful. Then he's very hardworking. So try to make more sentence. Don't give turn to other ones. Try to speak maximum. Right? All right. So next question to you is, what can make you happy? Good health or job satisfaction? What can make you happy? Good health or job satisfaction? Yes. What can make you happy? Good health. Right. Definitely when there will be good health, then you will be able to do good job and you will be satisfied. Okay. Wonderful. All right. So next question to you is, do you live in a nuclear family or extended family? So nuclear means, yes, separate family, right, where you are just living separately from your family. And extended family means joint family system, separate from joint family actually. All right. So next, right. So do you live in a nuclear family or extended family? And the question is from you. Yes. Yeah, make a sentence. I live in extended family. I have 8 siblings. Great. And? All right. And I live with my parents. Wonderful. Great. Extended family and nuclear family. Right. So next, you are more close to your maternal family or paternal family? Here. So maternal family means your mama side, and maternal uncle means your mamu. Maternal uncle is mamu and maternal aunt is khala, and paternal uncle is chacha and or taya definitely, and paternal aunt is your puppo, right? So maternal and paternal side. So maternal from mother side, from papa's side, from mama side, from papa's side. Okay. All right. So you are close to your maternal family or paternal family? Yes. In the last row. So the last row is neglected. Right. Okay. So the person, yes, you, the first one. Right. Sorry? Paternal side? Okay. So I am close to my paternal family more because I spend most of my time with them. My maternal side, my maternal family is residing in some other city. So just try to explain more. Wonderful, very nice. Okay. So our first activity is done. MashaAllah, wonderful. You people are very nice. Clap for yourself. Great. Wonderful. Very nice. You people are participating well. Right? So the thing is that you need to utter more and more sentences. For that, I think so one more activity should be there. Right? So I think you should speak. That is called rapid fire. Yes. Rapid fire means I will give you one word just. What is rapid fire? I will just give you one word. and you just need to make 5 sentences out of that. And if you are unable to complete your 5 sentences, you think that okay, today I can't speak more, so you will just say pass, and then I will give the turn to the other participant. So this is the thing. So get ready for that. So I hope you are ready, and the activity starts now. The first word is, it's your favorite gadget, mobile phone, and you just need to make 5 sentences. All right, so we will start from here this time. Okay, mobile phone, and the people sitting in the last rows, yes, with orange. Yes, yes, start speaking on it.
Mobile phone is an electronic device
Listen.
used to communicate with others.
Okay,
I got my phone when I was in intermediate.
good.
I usually use Facebook, Instagram, or other social media accounts to call my mother.
Hmm.
I without phone we cannot live.
The word is dull and drab. Without, it's our life. Yes, one more to go. One more to go.
In today's world, this is the most important electronic device I guess.
Exactly. Wonderful. Very nice. All right. So next word is music. So music is actually food for soul. So it is food for soul, and we would just ask from you, music. Yes. Yeah, loud. Try to be loud. For giving loud voice, for getting that, basically singing is very important. So this is very good practice. If you think that your voice is somewhat that is not at very huge volume, or that you can't just speak at maximum volume, so sing, right? So that singing should be the part of your practice. So if you try to sing in a loud voice, so definitely your vocal cords will be open and you will be good at that, right? But we are just doing that. Wonderful. Yes. Second sentence.
Can I sing song?
One day we will do that. We will arrange some get together then. But now we want 4 more sentences. Pass. Okay, no problem. And here. Yes. With Rust.
I don't like music in the general.
Okay.
Although music industry is one of the growing industries here in Pakistan and in neighboring countries also.
Yep.
Regarding music, I believe that I get distracted when listening to music
Okay.
during my study, which is a proven
Okay.
hack for others.
All right. Last.
Music to me is not food for the soul. I prefer listening to podcasts for the same purpose.
Wow.
It suits my
Wonderful.
mind.
And nerves as well. Good. Wonderful. Very nice. Okay. So next word from here. So next word coming on your way, and that is very important. It's tea. Right. From here. Right. Yes. The person in white. Yes. You.
I like tea. I'm a great lover of tea because I like to go tours. That's
Okay.
why I'm also a driver.
Yes.
That's why I like to drink tea.
Wonderful.
And I'm waiting for you.
Okay. Like me? All right, that's wonderful. So tea is an intellectual drink. It is called an intellectual's drink as well. Wonderful, very nice. So next we are here, and the word coming on your way is summer. Oh, we are all going through that summer season. The summer. Right. From here, you don't look back. You are the person. Right. Please. Huh? What happened? All right. So we are not here to speak perfect English. I have already told you. Come out of yourself. What is summer? This is summer season. Right. How do you feel? All right. I feel bad in summer. Okay. What do you eat in summer? Ice creams? Mango shakes? Right. And whey is what? WHEY. Buttermilk भी कहते हैं, whey जो लस्सी होती है. So WHEY, it's also known as buttermilk, lassi. Okay. And the severe kind of thing is load shedding in summer. So that's why I don't like summer at all. Okay, good. But next time you will speak, right? You can. All right. So now we are moving towards this side, and the word to you, that is right. You are going to mention about English language. English language. We are speaking today, and we are forgetting Urdu completely today. So you should just try to imitate foreigners as well whenever you are just listening to podcasts, or when you are just listening to some audios or blogs, or you are just listening to seasons. So try to imitate the foreigners. What you need to do is actually to play that, then pause it, right? And because you have listened to that, right? So listen that, pause it, and try to imitate that as they are saying. So try to imitate their accent and pronunciation as well, and then say it. And if you can do some recording as well, so it's better. If you think that you are not copying it well, try to rewind it again, listen it, pause it, and try to imitate it. So do this practice as well, side by side of your 10 to 15 minute exercise. Just listen to just 3 to 4 sentences every day and try to imitate them. So this will definitely give boost to your speaking. All right, and you will sound more like foreigners. So this accent, this neutral accent, this is fine as well. But if you think that you need some more good kind of accent, so you can do this as well. Yeah.
I just want to add Shakespearean quote from 12th Night play. If music be the soul of love,
Yeah.
play on.
All right. Wonderful. Thank you so much for that nice quote by Shakespeare. Great. 12th Night. Wonderful. Right. So you people can start reading some Shakespeare's dramas or plays as well, because they are present in short kind of form as well. So they are present in small booklets kind of thing. So they are known as Shakespearean's plays. So they are there for O-level students of that level. So you will enjoy that, and you will because they are very interesting. So you will learn good vocabulary words, and they are not in Old English, because the 12th Night, basically that is because Shakespeare, you know that he is old legend. So he definitely wrote in Old English. So but for the modern version, you can just read Shakespearean's plays that is present in all bookshops. So you just I think so, I recommend this book to you, Shakespearean's plays. You should buy it, and the major like 12th Night and King Lear, exactly, Merchant of Venice. So they are all there, Hamlet as well. So they have given the brief version of that in modern English. So you will enjoy that. So try to buy that. That would definitely boost your vocabulary and your reading skills, and you will come to know about the stories if you are interested in literature. So definitely that will give you, that will broaden your horizons and broaden your vision as well. You will come to know about the history as well of those days when Shakespeare existed. All right, so coming back to the word English language, yep, that is that international language which is spoken in all parts of world. So now it has reduced the barriers of communication. So wonderful, wonderful, very nice, keep it up. So next word, next rapid fire word coming on your way is your favorite singer. who is your favorite singer? Try to make 5 sentences on that singer, on that prodigy. Prodigy क्या होता है? A person who is gifted with some talent from Almighty God. So prodigy, God gifted person, that is known as prodigy. So this is good word, prodigy, God gifted person, talented one and God gifted. The thing is which you need in summer a lot, water. So the word is water. All right. So water is the word for rapid fire. Right. This one. Water, water everywhere, but not a single drop to drink. Sources, resources everywhere in Pakistan, but not a single talent to make it useful or to find it, to make it feasible, unfortunately. But water, who is going to speak on that? Yes, the person in white. Water.
Water is one of the most essential factors for our life.
Yes.
We have to drink pure water to maintain our health.
Great.
There are 75% water in the world, according to scientists.
Very good.
In summer season, we drink.
Maximum how many glasses? How many glasses of water we drink? 8 glasses of water. Very good.
And we have to drink to boil water.
All right.
To maintain our body.
Very nice. Great. Wonderful.